Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about sources of history. What do you understand by the word sources? It means something that inform us about history at the most basic level. In simple words, source is where someone or something came from. For example, rain is a source which provide us water. History textbooks are the sources which inform us about our glorious past. In this video, we are going to study about historical sources and their types. Historical source, it is something that keep us informed about past. It is original source that contain important historical information. All the materials which has a direct bearing or it can be any assistance in constructing the history of a particular period are called historical facts or sources. Our ancestors have left behind many things. They serve as evidence to know the past. Historical sources can be divided into two main categories: primary sources and secondary sources. Primary sources, something that originates from the past. It includes documents or artifacts created by a witness to or participant in an event. They can be first hand testimony or evidence created during the time period that you are studying. Secondary sources. It is a work that comments on the past. It means it analyzes a scholarly question and often use primary sources as evidence. It is the evidence of someone who was not present at the time of the occurrence of the event, which includes books and articles about a topic. They may include list of sources, that is bibliographies. They may lead you to other primary or secondary sources. Primary sources, old coins. Here you can see the pictures of some coins. The coins are very important source for the study of history. Coins were issued by the ruler of a country to enable people to buy goods and services. Coins are not only source of economic history but also give extensive information about official, religious and cult, political thought, ideology and actual portraiture of historical figures. Manuscripts. Manuscripts were written thousands of years ago. They were called manuscripts because they were written by hand. The Latin word manu means hand. These books were about religious beliefs and practices, lives of kings, medicine and science. There were epics, poems and plays. Old diaries, letters, newspapers, reports, government files, biographies and old books tell us about the past. Many travels have also left their accounts. Artifacts. Things which were buried underground. Many things belonging to the past like metal tools, poetry, articles of daily use, etc. have been found buried under the ground. These artifacts tell us about the past. Here you can see the pictures of the artifacts. Here are some pictures of ancient artifacts and modern artifacts. Inscriptions. Inscriptions are writing carved on stone or copper plates. Sometimes orders from kings were inscribed so that people could read and obey them. They were also records of past events, for example, what happened in a battle. Monuments. Everyone is aware about monuments. Monuments are old buildings which were built in the past. Old forts, tanks, temples, mosques, churches, palaces, etc. are all historical monuments. Monuments teach us about the history that happened before we were born and promotes the respect for those who lived in different times and different societies. Architectural monuments cultivates pride of our past and heritage, making us unique in the world. They are great attractors of tourists. Secondary sources. Secondary source is one that gives information about a primary source. In this source, the original information is selected, modified, and arranged in a suitable format. Secondary sources involve generalization, analysis, interpretation, or evaluation of the original information. Here you can see some examples of secondary sources: bibliographies, textbooks, journal articles, websites, commentaries, and criticisms. At the end, I would like to tell you that it is important to preserve the sources for the future generation because they give information about the contributions or achievements of our ancestors. Thank you.